Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shubhangi Adate, laparoscopic surgeon, gynecologist, infertility specialist and the first cosmetic gynecologist of Navi Mumbai from Ornate Hospitals, Kharghar. In this corona pandemic, we are here today to discuss about how to increase your immunity, what diet to take, what are the other measures to follow. To start with, stress. Stress is a major reason why people reduce on their immunity. So what I advise is sleep. Sleep is one of the major reasons which boosts your immunity. Every human being needs at least 7 hours of good sound sleep to have a good immunity. Regularly, moderately done with proper consistency of around 30 to 45 minutes of regular exercise is what really helps you to boost your immunity. In case of supplements are considered, vitamin D3. In case if your vitamin D3 levels are low, you need to remember that you need to correct them. Since vitamin D3 helps in reducing in the viral infection, especially the upper respiratory tract infection. Vitamin D3 level supplements are 60,000 international units per week. Zinc supplementation. Zinc is known to reduce the penetration of virus. Also, it also decreases the severity of infection. So I would advise to take regular zinc supplementations which are there in a lot of multivitamins which are taken. Talking about vitamin C. Vitamin C reduces the severity and duration of infection. So vitamin C supplementation once daily is advisable. Talking about diet. Probiotics, example yogurt, curd or in the form of sachets also available. They also help in relieving the GI symptoms and creating good bacteria in your intestines. As far as diet is concerned, garlic. Garlic is one of the known immune boosters since old ages. Must be taken regularly in your diet. Honey. Honey also should be inculcated at least 1 spoon every day in the morning or either with your green tea. Regarding diet, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are very important if cleaned well and if very simple recipes made out of them. Talking about proteins. Proteins can be taken from various things like sprouts, pulses. If they are fermented, nothing like that. That can be taken as at least 3 times in a week. Talking about fruits. Fruits can be taken as a regular basis. At least 1 to 2 fruits in a day is what is advisable. Proteins in the form of dairy products like paneer, milk, curd, buttermilk are better options. Talking about fluid intake, you need to have a very good fluid intake in this summer seasons as well as to increase your immunity, like having at least a glass of lemon juice or a coconut water is what I would be advising. Keep yourself adequately hydrated with at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. And I would like to add on with yoga, meditation and positive thinking. Things to avoid would be any preserved food, any juices which are canned, any packaged food. You need to avoid any kind of cakes, pastries or any cookies which are made of refined flour. Last but not the least, half an hour to 45 minutes of yoga with 10 minutes of good meditation and a positive attitude towards life is what will make a difference. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon